best portable laptop desk. Working from home in a new reality for many across the country, but it can be hard to stay productive with all the temptations and distractions at home, which is why sorting out your workspace is so important. One product can help create an optimal work from home experience is a lap desk. Whether you want a little more height at your kitchen table or a cozy way to work on the couch or from your bed, a lap desk lets you bring your office with you whenever you sit. To help you find the right one for you, we rounded up a few options rated highly by the most enthusiastic reviewers on Amazon. Number 1. Maxsmart Portable Laptop Desk. This portable travel and ERGO laptop tray with retractable mouse pad fits laptop up to 15.6 inches screen size. This laptop desk is slim. You can easily carry and store it into your laptop bag, briefcase, or backpack. Anti-slip surface keeps the laptop securely in place, and the retractable mousepad works with either a left or right-handed person. You can use it when sitting on bed, sofa, or traveling. This is a must-have for any laptop owners. Number 2. Saiji Adjustable Laptop Table. Saiji Adjustable Laptop Bed Table with storage drawer and book stand for eating, working, writing, gaming, and drawing. Foldable and movable desk legs, easy to storage under the bed or sofa. Perfect for use as bed tray and floor eating table. Extra large size laptop table, spacious desktop elevated laptop up to 17 inches wide with enough space for mouse, book, cup, phone, tablet, etc. Number 3. Sofia plus Sam Multitasking Lap Desk. Sofia plus Sam Multitasking Media Memory Foam Lap Desk is the ultimate workstation for anyone using a laptop, computer, tablet, or smartphone. The lap desk allows you to work on the laptop or table, watch TV, write or read while staying alert on your phone for incoming calls and messages. It's the perfect portable desk for small spaces so you can work from home or your kids can learn online in comfort. Number 4. One-Year Lap Desk. This lap desk may be helpful for you. You may use it as a laptop stand, work stand, reading desk, or for whatever situation you may need it. It comes with a mouse pad for computer users who prefer it, and a table holder, pen holder, and phone holder that helps to save space. The wrist pad which provides you with more comfort while working and comes with dual bolster cushions and comfort to your lap, providing more comfort and stability while keeping your laptop at a comfortable angle. Number 5. Sofia plus Sam Bamboo Lap Desk. The perfect lap tray so you can get work done from the comfort of your bed. The lap tray allows you to use your 13 inches or 15 inches laptop and a computer mouse with plenty of room to spare. The table and smartphone slots allows you to easily see any incoming calls, messages, or emails. There is also a storage drawer in case you have extra pens or accessories. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.